Viewers, this is Yad. Welcome to my YouTube channel E-commerce and Tech. Before going to my video, I would like to intimate something. See, my YouTube channel name is E-commerce and Tech, right? So I'm just posting the videos only related to the tech, which means SQL, right? So why I'm not putting e-commerce? Yes, I have to put. So I'm just researching something regarding e-commerce. Okay, so now for time being, I'm planned to put e-commerce related videos once in a week. Okay, so after that I will plan to make more about them. Okay, so just go into the today's topic. Okay, transition slideshow. Okay, so now today we are going to discuss about, so as we discussed our last video regarding, we will validate the data by assigning constraints and data types, right? So just go into something deep with data types. Okay, data types are used to determine what type of or kind of data will be stored in a particular memory location. It's nothing, a simple example. So if you are sending or receiving messages from your friends, right? So let me consider, you will get a message in a about a one contact number, and you will get an image. That's only the data type, which means the phone number, which is a number data type, and image, it's a image data type. So like that, uh, data is, the data type is different for different types of data. Okay, so likewise in SQL there are 7 types of data types: char, varchar, number, date, large object, character large object, and binary large object. Okay, so next thing, what is char? Just go into the char. Char data type is used to accept characters such as capital letter A to Z and small letter A to Z, and a numerical numbers, which is 0 to 9, and also special characters. You can see this. So char is used to accept this type of characters. Okay, so this is the syntax of the character data type, which is char. So char of size, this is the actual syntax, and the size is used to determine the number of characters that we need to store. Hence we have to mention the size for it. Char data type is also called fixed length memory location. What saying is, we have to use size, how many characters we are going to store. Okay, for example, we are going to store something cat, we have to mention 3. It's because cat, cat, like that. Okay, so it's also called fixed length memory location. So why it's called fixed length memory location, I will explain you later. And the next data type, which is varchar. Varchar is also similar to char, which will accept characters such as A to Z and small letter A to Z, special characters and numbers. So we can say why both are used for the same process. So why we need to use the both two data types? Yes, there is some small difference. I will explain in the next slide. Okay. So this is also the same syntax like to char, which is we will use varchar of size. Same thing. In varchar, unused memory will restore again to the memory location. It's also called variable length memory location. So in varchar, unused, we will assign some size, right? Because varchar of 5. Okay. So but we use only 3. So remaining 2 will be restored to the memory location. So that's why it's called variable length memory location. Okay. So let's go into the difference between char and varchar. We declared two data with char data type and varchar data type with the same memory size. Here also we declared for 7, and here also we declared for 7 to store 7 characters, right? Okay, so but here for char also, for varchar also, we stored the same data, which is kohl. Here we are also done the same thing, but what's the difference between both of them is, here the we stored just only the 5 characters. Here also, both also we stored the 5 characters, but the remaining 2 characters, so that's a wastage of memory, right? So in char, the remaining 2 will be the waste. Okay, but in second thing, in varchar, the unused memory will be restored to the memory location. So here, by using varchar, we can save more memory. So that's why we using varchar for all the operations. So that's I put here, in char will not store, restore, and in varchar, unused memory will restore to the memory location.